Welcome back to On the Ground. So in this episode we're going to be replacing the starter motor, this one right here. I'm going to try to make this video quick. It's not a real complicated process. It's a matter of removing this cable here, but we don't have to remove that yet. I have a new one from Honda, starter cable. Since I went ahead and replaced the wiring. Got a new gasket. I got to remove these 8mm bolts, and there's two back here, and I got to remove a gear in here and place this and hook it back up. It's not really too complicated, so let's get to it. So let's see first. Oh, another note, you might want to jack this side up a few inches because these gears can kind of come out. So tilting it up a little bit will help assist in preventing that from happening. You still want to try to catch them. This little jack is all I could get it to do. So. Cover comes back here, so you want to kind of pry this off. There's a gasket in there, but I have a new gasket. If you don't have a gasket, just be careful. It's kind of coming off with it. Really don't want to damage the gasket if you can avoid it. I'm not that concerned about it because I do have a new one. These gears, they kind of wants to push. We didn't want that one to come out. Let me try to put it back in there. There's a tried to make it fit. There's another gear right here. I'm trying to avoid that one from coming out. This other one's, it's okay. Oh, man. Really didn't want that one to come out. Really didn't want this one to come out. If you see right here, really just want this one to come out. You don't want this one to really come out, but it did not want to come out that way. It'll be all right. Really right here's all you gotta do. Bring the bearing with me. Bearing looks fine. It's nasty. Should have washed this thing. It's alright though. Really not what I wanted to happen. Didn't bring no wipes with me either. It'll be alright though. It's not supposed to really don't want this to come out. It's alright. Just set this right here. Trick of getting that out, but this is the old one. I didn't bring no rags with me, so I have to resort to using my jeans. This is the OEM. Mitsuba, if you can see that. Hopefully, oh, I need to put a little bit of oil on this O-ring. Give me just a moment. Okay, new gasket. Right here, new gasket. Oh, it's a little dirty around here, but ideally I would have a shop to do this on. This would all be cleaned off real well, so no kind of grit would get in there or in any part of it. But my work schedule is just don't have the time you would think I have. Well, that'll probably be it for this episode of On the Ground. I just wanted to show you that quickly, but yeah, I'm gonna try to start it, but I'm not gonna include it in this video. I might add it, but I forgot the battery upstairs, so I have to go get it. So, well, I'll see you again here next time on the Ground.